And why is it crucial to stay current with the latest trends in cleaning validation? The answer is simple. It's because the landscape of cleaning validation is constantly evolving. Today, we will delve into the 15 key trends that are shaping the future of cleaning validation. Firstly, there is an increased focus on risk-based cleaning validation approaches. This means we're seeing a shift towards a more strategic approach, aiming to minimize risk and maximize efficiency. Secondly, the adoption of advanced analytical techniques for residue detection is on the rise. These methods provide more precise and reliable data, enhancing the overall process of cleaning validation. Thirdly, the implementation of real-time monitoring systems for cleaning is becoming more prevalent. This technology allows for immediate feedback, enabling swift action and potential process improvements. Fourthly, we are witnessing the integration of automation and robotics in cleaning validation. This advancement not only enhances accuracy, but also significantly reduces manual labor. Fifthly, the use of statistical tools for data analysis and decision-making in cleaning validation is gaining traction. It provides a more structured and empirical approach to the decision-making process. Next, there's an emphasis on the use of validated cleaning agents and detergents. This ensures the cleaning process is effective and compliant with regulatory standards. Seventh, the application of quality by design, QBD principles in cleaning validation studies is becoming more common. This approach aims to ensure quality is built into the process from the outset. Eighth, the incorporation of sustainability considerations in cleaning validation practices is a growing trend. This reflects the broader societal move towards more environmentally friendly practices. Ninth, the introduction of rapid microbiological testing methods for assessing cleanliness is gaining popularity. These methods provide faster, more accurate results. 10th, there's the development and use of alternative, non-toxic cleaning agents. This trend is driven by health and safety concerns and regulatory considerations. 11th, the integration of digital technologies for documentation and traceability in cleaning validation processes is becoming more widespread. This allows for better record keeping and compliance. 12th, the adoption of continuous manufacturing approaches for improved cleaning efficiency is on the rise. This approach allows for seamless production and enhanced cleanliness. 13th, the implementation of risk-based sampling plans to optimize resource allocation in cleaning validation activities is gaining traction. This strategy aims to ensure resources are used where they can have the most impact. 14th, there's a focus on training and competency development for personnel involved in cleaning validation activities. This ensures that staff are up to date with the latest techniques and regulations. And finally, there's collaboration between regulatory agencies, industry associations, and manufacturers to establish harmonized guidelines for cleaning validation. This trend promotes consistency and compliance across the board. In conclusion, these 15 trends are shaping the future of cleaning validation. Each one is crucial in its own right, collectively contributing to a more effective, efficient, and compliant cleaning validation process. Staying up to date with these trends is not just important. It's essential for anyone involved in the pharmaceutical and biotech industries.